Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making two amazing summer drinks. And this is great because there's also Falsa in this drink. For if someone has a stomach flu, they could have this. And I'm also going to be making it in combination of orange juice. So this is good in vitamin C as well. And also because there's coronavirus, it will be like an immune booster and make your immune system stronger. So for this, we are going to be needing Falsa. So I am using this to make 1 liter of this drink. So I have 1 bowl of Falsa, and I'm going to be adding double the amount of water as to Falsa. I have 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and this is I'm using brown sugar, but if you're diabetic, you can use honey or just avoid it at all. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I have some mint leaves just for decoration. Okay, and I also have ice cubes and obviously water. So let's get started. I'm going to start by adding the Falsa into my jug over here. To add double the amount of water now. And just goes in there. I'm going to add in the sugar. Turn the blender on after adding the black pepper and the salt. I'm going to turn the blender on. Just going to let this blend until it's well combined. Well blended, so I took it out and now I'm just going to strain this. Take it off. Okay, I have a strainer and a bowl here. I'm just going to pour this in. I'm going to use my rubber spoon here. Now that all the food is strained and there's no more juice left in this, I'm going to set this aside. And you have your Falsa juice ready. Okay, I am just going to pour it into this container here. Now we have our orange juice here and our Falsa juice here. Okay, so I'm going to take some ice. I'm going to put it in this glass. 1 cube in this glass. There. And goes our Falsa juice. That looks so cool how it just mixes together. There. Just gonna go in here. There you have it. Your Falsa juice is ready to go. And there you have it. This looks so cool how the orange and the red have it's like an ombre of both those colors. It looks so cool. And then there you have it, your Falsa juice. These two look awesome and you guys should really try this recipe. If you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!